Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the world of one of Bollywood's most glamorous stars, Nora Fatehi. From red carpet events to casual outings, Nora never fails to captivate us with her stunning fashion choices. So, let's take a closer look at some of her most unforgettable looks. The beauty effortlessly stuns on the red carpet in glamorous gowns adorned with intricate embellishments and daring silhouettes. She's been seen rocking plunging necklines, thigh-high slits, and figure-hugging designs that showcase her curves with sophistication and elegance. Even in her casual outings, Nora exudes style and charisma. She's often spotted in trendy athleisure wear, pairing crop tops with high-waisted joggers or leggings, and accessorizing with oversized sunglasses and statement sneakers. Her street-style looks are edgy yet effortlessly cool. One thing that sets Nora apart is her willingness to experiment with fashion. Nora Fatehi not afraid to push boundaries and try bold and unconventional looks. Whether it's experimenting with avant-garde silhouettes, bold colors, or unexpected combinations, Nora always manages to pull off daring fashion choices with confidence and flair. She often elevates her outfits with statement jewelry pieces, including oversized earrings, layered necklaces, and bold cuffs. Her choice of handbags and clutches also adds an extra touch of glamour to her overall look. Nora fashion is not limited by geographical boundaries. She draws inspiration from a myriad of cultures and fashion capitals around the world, infusing her wardrobe with eclectic pieces that reflect her cosmopolitan lifestyle. She's often seen rocking fashionable activewear sets in vibrant colors and bold patterns, perfectly accentuating her toned physique. From sleek leggings to supportive sports bras and breathable tanks, she proves that you can look fashionable while breaking a sweat. Her fashion choices extend beyond just clothing. Her makeup looks are also a testament to her adventurous spirit. She's known to experiment with bold lip colors, dramatic eye makeup, and avant-garde techniques that complement her outfits and add an extra layer of intrigue to her overall appearance. Whether she's opting for a sultry smoky eye or a statement lip, Nora isn't afraid to play with makeup to express her individuality. When it comes to haute couture, Nora is not one to shy away from the extravagance and opulence it offers. She's often seen donning exquisite creations from renowned fashion houses, showcasing intricate beadwork, lavish fabrics, and meticulous craftsmanship. These couture pieces elevate her presence at prestigious events, making her a vision of luxury and sophistication. Despite her penchant for bold and glamorous looks, the beauty also knows the power of minimalist fashion. She can effortlessly pull off understated elegance with clean lines, neutral tones, and subtle yet impactful details. Whether it's a sleek slip dress, a tailored pantsuit, or a simple yet chic ensemble, Nora proves that less can indeed be more when it comes to timeless style. The beauty has a flair for incorporating vintage elements into her modern wardrobe. She's often seen paying homage to bygone eras with retro-inspired outfits that exude old Hollywood glamour. From vintage-inspired dresses with cinched waists and full skirts to classic accessories like cat eye sunglasses and pearl earrings, Nora adds a touch of nostalgia to her contemporary style, creating looks that are both timeless and captivating. Her street style is anything but ordinary. She embraces the diversity of urban fashion, effortlessly blending elements from various subcultures and trends to create eclectic and dynamic looks. Her streetwear aesthetic is a testament to her fearless attitude and willingness to push boundaries. In addition to her sartorial prowess, she also champions sustainable fashion practices. She's known to support eco-friendly brands and initiatives, opting for ethically produced clothing and accessories whenever possible. Whether it's wearing garments made from organic fabrics or promoting upcycled and recycled fashion, Nora uses her platform to advocate for a more environmentally conscious approach to style. She's often spotted in eye-catching coats, jackets, and blazers that add an extra layer of style to her outfits. Whether it's a bold animal print coat, a tailored trench coat, or a chic leather jacket, the beauty knows how to layer up in style, elevating her look with each outerwear choice. Nora Fatehi proves that monochrome outfits can be anything but boring. She effortlessly pulls off head-to-toe looks in a single color palette, playing with different shades and textures to create visually striking ensembles. Whether it's an all-black ensemble for a sleek and sophisticated vibe or a vibrant monochrome look for a pop of color, the beauty demonstrates the power of simplicity and cohesion in fashion. She's known for experimenting with bold hairdos, from sleek ponytails and voluminous curls to edgy braids and avant-garde updos. Her ever-changing hairstyles not only complement her outfits but also showcase her adventurous spirit and willingness to push the boundaries of beauty and fashion. She celebrates diversity and embraces her curves with confidence, inspiring others to do the same. Whether she's flaunting figure-hugging dresses or rocking body-bearing ensembles, her fashion choices promote self-love and acceptance, sending a powerful message of empowerment to her fans around the world. Nora effortlessly channels bohemian chic with her laid-back yet stylish ensembles. You might spot her in flowy maxi dresses, crochet tops, or fringed jackets, accessorized with layered necklaces, stacked bangles, and floppy hats. Her boho-inspired looks exude a carefree attitude and a sense of wanderlust, perfect for music festivals or leisurely strolls along the beach. Her fashion prowess extends beyond her personal wardrobe. She's also a muse for high-fashion editorials and campaigns. With her striking features and commanding presence, she brings designer creations to life in captivating photoshoots. Whether she's gracing the pages of fashion magazines or starring in advertising campaigns, the beauty captivates audiences with her impeccable style and innate charisma. Nora pays homage to the golden age of Hollywood with her vintage-inspired glamour. She effortlessly channels the elegance of iconic starlets from the past, donning retro hairstyles, classic silhouettes, and timeless accessories. Whether it's a vintage-inspired gown reminiscent of old Hollywood glamour or a retro chic ensemble with a modern twist, the beauty adds a touch of nostalgia to her red carpet appearances and photo shoots, showcasing her appreciation for fashion history. Her influence transcends borders, making her a global style icon admired by fans around the world. Whether she's attending international events or gracing the covers of international fashion magazines, the beauty captivates audiences with her sartorial choices and magnetic presence. Her ability to effortlessly blend cultural influences and international trends cements her status as a fashion trailblazer on the global stage. For Nora, fashion is more than just clothing, it's a form of artistic expression. She uses fashion as a creative outlet to express her personality, emotions, and individuality. Whether she's experimenting with avant-garde designs, bold colors, or unconventional textures, the beauty approaches fashion with an artistic sensibility, pushing boundaries and challenging norms with her unique and innovative style. Nora collaborates with leading fashion designers and brands to create exclusive collections and capsule collaborations. From designing her own line of clothing to partnering with established fashion houses on limited edition collections, her collaborations showcase her influence and impact in the fashion industry. Her ability to bridge the worlds of entertainment and fashion through innovative partnerships further solidifies her position as a trendsetter and influencer. Nora effortlessly navigates the changing seasons with her wardrobe choices. During the warmer months, she embraces breezy fabrics like linen and cotton in light, airy silhouettes, opting for vibrant colors and playful prints. In contrast, as the temperatures drop, she seamlessly transitions to cozy knitwear, luxe fabrics like velvet and suede, and rich autumnal hues, showcasing her versatility and adaptability to different climates. The actress is a familiar face in the front rows of prestigious fashion weeks around the world. Whether it's New York, Paris, Milan, or Mumbai, she graces the runway shows and after-parties in style. From couture masterpieces to avant-garde streetwear, she effortlessly showcases the latest trends and designer creations, solidifying her status as a fashion influencer and trendsetter in the global fashion scene. The beauty infuses her personal touch into her fashion choices through DIY projects and customization. She's known to revamp old garments with embellishments, embroidery, or creative alterations, giving them new life and adding a unique twist to her outfits. Whether it's adding patches to denim jackets or embellishing plain tees with sequins and beads, her DIY approach to fashion reflects her creativity and individuality. Nora's style has undergone a remarkable evolution, reflecting her growth as an artist and a fashion icon. From her early days in the industry to her current status as a global sensation, she's experimented with different trends, refined her aesthetic, and embraced her personal style journey. Each phase of her fashion evolution tells a story, showcasing her versatility, confidence, and willingness to push boundaries. Beyond making fashion statements, the beauty also uses her platform to support charitable causes through fashion philanthropy. She participates in charity fashion shows, auctions, and fundraising events, using her influence to raise awareness and funds for important social issues. Whether it's promoting sustainable fashion initiatives or supporting organizations that empower women through education and entrepreneurship, her fashion choices extend beyond aesthetics to make a positive impact on society. Nora has graced numerous red carpets with unforgettable fashion moments that have left a lasting impression. From show-stopping gowns that showcase her curves to daring ensembles that push the boundaries of style, she consistently commands attention and steals the spotlight with her impeccable fashion sense and red carpet charisma. Her iconic red carpet moments are celebrated not only for their glamour but also for their confidence and elegance. And there you have it, Nora Fatehi continues to be a fashion icon, inspiring us with her impeccable style choices. Which of Nora's looks is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.